How to make a climatograph. Open up a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets from Google Drive. In column A, put month, in column B, put precipitation, and in column C, put average monthly temperature. Fill out the rest of your data points, then select this entire area to make your chart. Go up to the menu where it says Insert, press on it, and then press on Chart. This opens up a chart editor and gives you your chart. Once in your chart editor, select the chart type menu. Go down and look for combo chart. It should be in the line section. Once you have your combo chart, go up into Customize and then where it says Series. Press on this menu and then where it says Apply to, press on the first one, which should be Precipitation. Go down to where it says Axes, press on it, and then press on Right Axis. This gives you your two axes. After that, all we have to do is rename our chart. Go to where it says Chart and Axes Titles, press on it, and then change the type to Chart Title. Here we can name our graph. Give it a really good title and make sure you label everything. Then press in Type, go back to the bottom where it says Right Vertical Axis Title. This should be your precipitation, so name it accordingly. Make sure to give it units. After that, we can name the left one. Go back to the type menu, press on vertical axis title, and then name it. This should be your average monthly temperature. Then go up to chart style, press on it, and then check off smooth. This smoothens out your lines so your data points are easier to read. Then go up and close your chart editor and resize your graph as you need. You're all done making your first climatograph.